Nice to see you. This is my friend Suri, and my name is Susie. Today, we're going to talk about the life cycle of
the butterfly.
Yay! Colorful butterflies, my favorite.
Not funny.
What? I love butterflies.
But I don't love butterflies.
Why don't you love butterflies? They're so pretty. They have scales on it, and they have scales on their wings. They're so fabulous. Everyone loves butterflies, you know?
But I don't like butterflies.
Do you know the life cycle of butterflies? Today is the day that we find out. So the day that we are happy until we get sick. When we get sick, the body temperature is still the same, but it gets higher a little, don't you think?
Yeah.
So let's go into our lesson. So butterflies, if they are frozen, the wings are frozen, a little crystal will form, and that prevents them from flying, and they will die. So to prevent that, some butterflies migrate to it. Well, sometimes they migrate to Mexico or some other places that are sunny and warm. When the days get colder at that place, they'll migrate back. But did you know that butterflies have a bird? So let's learn about the insects together. First, there are many states. So first stage is up to 300 eggs. They could lay to up 300 eggs. Well, it takes a long time to lay them. It's just like when we thread the string through a needle. They're small like that, but they're very colorful. Some eggs are different. Some eggs are large. After that, a little caterpillar would form. And the caterpillar would eats and eats and eats and eats and eats and eats. They have strong jaws. They eat and eat and eat until they're full, right? Until they're full. After that, they go to the second stage, larvae ones. The larvae is the caterpillar, guys. The caterpillar is like up to 5 to 10 days. They will cocoon themselves like a little baby. Only 1 week old, they will just be like that. If humans were like that, we're already old, right? So some caterpillars sip nectar. Some has colorful spikes or bulbs. You might think it's ugly, but when the butterfly forms, oh, it's so beautiful. Like when we wear jeans that fit us the most. It's like that. So the caterpillar crawls and crawls and crawls until it eats and eats and eats. That's delicious. But they could be into 2 lengths, and there's a moles under it. So let's continue.
Stage 3, pupa state.
Okay, I'm here to help my friend. So after the third stage, the pupa stage, it will form a chrysalis. So many people have been this way. So it's like produce a little silk that they hang upside down. You see?
Upside down?
But here's the difference between a chrysalis and
a milkshake.
Not like that, but it's a cocoon. A cocoon is like the moss with silk. But a butterfly skin, this is a butterfly skin. It hardens and hardens. It takes ages for this age. After that, they have strong jaws and they get out and
turn into a butterfly.
Yes, but there's another one too. We had to wait until 7 to 10 days before they come out of their chrysalis. So that's not called a cocoon. This is stage 4, the last stage.
Adult state.
Yep, but when they come out, the wings are so wet, they have to wait until they're dry. Wait about maybe an hour or so. But while they wait, they eat the chrysalis so that they could produce eggs instead.
And then they lay eggs, and then the life cycle turns again.
Yep, they begin again. But they have worked together. So the butterflies, when the mother can't finish the journey, she'll die. But she'll lay 1 egg before she'll die. That caterpillar will form a chrysalis, and after that, the daughter and son will continue the journey. They have 6 eggs, so that means that they are insects. You see, there are 3 parts. They're insects. Wow, I never noticed they have a very long tongue. Do you admit it?
Yeah.
They're very long with 2 antennae. These antennae point away. Don't you think?
I think so.
And they use their long tongues to sip nectar like drinking juice from us.
Like drinking juice from the flower.
Yep, it's like we're drinking juice with a straw, but here they have a tongue for a straw already. So butterflies can form in different ways. They can be small, they can be itsy wincy, tiny, but be careful. Some butterflies are poisonous.
Poisonous?
Yes, we just need to touch it. We're scratching like, oh, I'm so itchy, So be careful.
Oh.
Some butterflies may look pretty, but we should never touch them unless you know what type of butterfly it is. So butterflies are everywhere. They're beautiful, don't they?
Yes.
Look. So they're just like bees, but
bees are dangerous.
yes, they're pollinators. They could produce. They suck up nectar and produce pollen. So skippers,
What is skippers?
Skippers. Let's see. Oh, skippers! It's like they're jumping around.
Oh.
And also they're called
Fun.
skippers because they can fly up to like bird wings. Some butterflies have bird wing butterflies. You see, they look like birds. They flap and flap. They're different types. So that's 1 foot fly, you know? So it's just like birds, don't you think?
Yes, I know it.
Yep. And do you think the colors are pretty? So they could travel from the cold place.
A lot of color.
So they could start from other cold places. They're endangered species
Butterfly can make a pet too.
Well, they're endangered species, guys. They're endangered species. People keep catching them and then they die. That's not very good, right?
Yes. I
Yeah.
also catch the butterfly too.
So some butterflies migrate to Mexico, where it's warm and sunny. They go into hibernation sleep. After that, they'll fly back again if Mexico gets cold. Well, if they don't finish the journey, their sons and daughters will finish for them. And then they'll fly back to where they started.
Oh, it's interesting.
But did you know that a full butterfly cannot finish it all? But actually, there's some
Butterfly can't finish it.
Yes, a mother butterfly can't finish it. She will die, but before she dies, she'll lay 1 egg. After she lays 1 egg, the little egg will turn into a caterpillar. Then they form their life cycle and continue a journey back to go to Mexico. Holiday time. So that's the end. Bye.
Bye.